Good afternoon, everyone. It's me again, Abby Device from the Fairport Library, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a really easy craft with ingredients that you have in your kitchen, hopefully. So today we're going to be working on a thing called air dry clay. It's similar to the Fimo or the baking clay that you get from a craft store, but this is stuff you can make in your own kitchen with very few ingredients. So all you're gonna need is some canola oil, some lemon juice, some cornstarch, and some school glue. So we're gonna start by adding half a cup of cornstarch. That goes right in there. Then we're gonna add 4 ounces of the school glue. So it doesn't have to be this ratio, or this exact ratio, but just make sure you keep it equal if you're gonna use different amounts. So far, half a cup of cornstarch and 4 ounces of school glue. We'll get that all in there. All right. Doesn't want to come out. There we go. All right, so then you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which I've already put in there, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. That all out of there. And that is it. We're gonna start mixing this around until you get like a almost like frosting consistency, and then we'll microwave it. So I'll show you that from above. All right, so we've got our ingredients and we're gonna mix them together. So we want to have almost a dough-like consistency when we're done. I know I said icing earlier, but I was wrong, as I tend to be from time to time. So we're going to mix all this in there. Make sure we get it all off the sides. Try to make sure we get as many lumps out as we can. So we want it to be nice and smooth. Get those air bubbles out of there. I'm smushing it on the bottom to get those pockets of cornstarch out and mixed. The other way you can do this is mix your cornstarch and your glue first, so that you get an icing-like consistency, like I said, and then you can add your other ingredients, but that is not what I did here. All right, so now that I've got all my ingredients combined, I'm going to put it in the microwave on high for 30 seconds. So after I get it done for 30 seconds, I'm gonna give it a quick little stir, and then I'm going to do it for another 30 seconds on high. All right, so I just microwaved it for 30 seconds. I'm gonna give it a quick stir just to make sure it's all together, and I'm gonna do it for another 30 seconds on high. All right, and we're done. So I'll take it out, give it one more little stir, and then we're gonna go back over to knead it. All right, now with our freshly heated mixture, we're gonna take a wooden spoon or spatula and kind of move it around the bowl until you get a dough-like consistency. Now I've got some parchment paper and I've got some cornstarch. I'm gonna take the mixture and I'm gonna put it out of the bowl onto that. All right, then I'm gonna poke it around in the cornstarch until it gets to a point where I can handle it without it sticking to my hands. You're gonna knead it just like a dough. It's still a little warm, so just be careful if you got little ones and they're got sensitive little hands. And you want to incorporate it as much as possible. All right, when it's all done, it should be a really smooth consistency. So when you pull it apart, it should make these little drop-like things at the end. So once you've got that, you're ready to use it. So you can use it like any kind of dough. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm getting married soon, I'm gonna make some star garlands. So I'm gonna use a star cookie cutter to cut out some stars. I'll let them dry, and then I'm gonna put them together with wire to make a garland. But you can use this for Christmas ornaments, you can make ring dishes, you can do pretty much anything with this that you would with a normal Fimo clay. You can add color to it if you want. You can add it, you can either paint it or you can use food dye when you're in the process of doing it. You would just add that when you add all your other ingredients. But it's something easy you can do with yourself or with your kids. I will put some pictures of possible projects at the end because it does take between 24 hours to 48 hours to dry. I'm not going to be able to show you right away what I've done, but I will share it on there when I'm finished. But I hope this is something that you can do with your family and have fun with it. You do not have to put it in the oven to bake. You just leave it out. I would put it on wax paper to dry for 48 hours. I would do 24 hours, come downstairs, flip the item, leave it for another 24 hours just to make sure. It probably doesn't need that much, but I am being safe. If you make it and you're not ready to use it right away, you can keep it in a Ziploc bag with some oil and it will stay good for a little while. And there you go, a simple little air dough recipe that you can make with your family. Now I saved mine in a plastic bag. I just put a tiny bit of canola oil in there and sealed it up as best as I could with as little air as possible. But I'm gonna use that to make a garland later, and I will post pictures when I finish it. But I hope you had fun making this craft. Please share what you're doing. Thank you for your patience last week. I didn't get to post a video because I was moving, but I'm in my new house and I'm ready to go, and I'm gonna keep doing these videos as long as I can. So I hope you're all doing well, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.